Flexera Cloud Cost Optimization is a powerful platform for managing cloud spend. But what if you need to bring in cost data from another tool, like a SaaS platform, or export Flexera data elsewhere? That's where Flexera's policy engine and REST APIs come in. In this video, I'll show you how to bring external cost data into Flexera using a pre-built policy template and point you to tools for building your own integrations. Flexera's policy engine lets you automate actions across platforms using policy templates. You'll find dozens of ready-to-go templates in the policy catalog, or you can write your own using the policy template language. Today, we'll use one of those pre-built templates to ingest cost data from Azure Blob Storage. Let's say you have cost data for a SaaS product in focus format, sitting as CSV files in an Azure Blob Storage container. Here's how to bring that into Flexera. In the Flexera UI, you want to go to Automation and then Catalog. In the search bar, we're going to type blob in order to find blob storage policy templates. And here we find one for common bill ingestion from Azure Blob Storage. Next, you'll want to click Apply, and this will bring up a page where you can then apply the policy template. We'll want to make sure to set up all of the settings to match what we want. In this case, I'm going to make sure to select the correct account. You want to make sure you select the proper credentials. Now, you do have to have credentials already configured to make this work, and if you don't already have credentials configured for the policy engine, please consult our documentation at docs.flexera.com. And in this case, we're just going to enter a fictional set of values here just to demonstrate applying the policy template. These won't actually be correct, but when you're using this, of course, you want to put in the correct values for these things. And then once we've entered all of the information, we want to click on Apply Policy. And this will apply the policy template, and we can then view the applied policy template by going to Automation and then Applied Policies. And you'll see here at the top, Common Bill Ingestion from Azure Blob Storage. Now that this policy template has been applied, assuming that everything has been configured correctly, once a day, it will grab those focus CSV files from that Azure Blob Storage and send them into the Flexera platform where they will then be parsed and ingested. And then those costs will appear in the platform alongside all of your other cloud costs. Now, if you don't find a template that fits your use case, you can build your own. Flexera's policy template language is flexible and supports logic for custom automation, third-party APIs, and even conditional alerts. Check out the guide on docs.flexera.com for more information. You can access this by going to the documentation page and simply searching for policy template language at docs.flexera.com, and you will see a full guide on everything you need to configure your own policy templates to do your own sort of integrations. Now, many people have their own tooling for doing this kind of stuff, and that's great. Perhaps your team has their own automation tooling that already does several other tasks, and you want to utilize that instead of using the policy template language. Flexera offers REST APIs for pretty much every function in cloud cost optimization. So everything from uploading billing data, pulling cost reports, automating cost allocation, and syncing with external tools, all of that can be done via Flexera's APIs. You can get more information on our APIs on our API documentation at developer.flexera.com. Whether you're using built-in policy templates or custom scripts and APIs, Flexera gives you the tools to automate your cloud cost workflows end to end. For more walkthroughs and best practices, please check out our documentation, and thank you for watching.